we're thinking outside the square a little bit. We're not thinking about how people do it today. We're thinking about how we can do it better for our users, for the guys in the field. How do we make it better for them? How do we make it easy to use? We develop our alternators ourselves, so we calculate the amount of magnetism that it needs, we calculate the amount of iron that it needs, the amount of copper wire that they need, and we design it all on CAD. There's no one doing this sort of work in Australia, and I love that challenge to do the difficult things.
At Eniquest, we design, engineer and manufacture independent power solutions for every off-grid energy challenge using our own alternators. We're continually improving our technology to be more efficient with less effort to provide this electricity. Australian designed innovation, Australian made to last. Why Eniquest? The answer is in our brand and the dedicated and determined team behind it. We're Australian and we work harder to prove that we can deliver the best electrical power generating capabilities in the world.